Hi everyone, my name is Natasha. I work at the Fort Mill Library. Today we're going to create a painting design using painter's tape. This is an example of a painting design where I use painter's tape. This design can be created by children and adults to enjoy and share for months and years to come. But what do you need? You need painter's tape, paint, paintbrush or foam brush, paper towel, and foam board. And all of these materials can be bought at Michael's. Now that you have your materials, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that your foam board is on a flat surface like this. And once it's on a flat surface, you want to grab your painter's tape and create a design with the painter's tape on the foam board. This is an example of a design that I created using my painter's tape on the foam board. After you have created your design, you can begin to paint. Now that we have our design, grab your brush and your paint. And we're going to put some paint on our brush. And we'll begin to paint on the foam board. Being I have one color, it's okay that the paint will sometimes bleed over onto the painter's tape. That's okay. But once you have finished painting your design on your foam board, you need to let it completely dry, at least 15 to 20 minutes. After it has completely dried, you need to slowly remove the painter's tape from the foam board. Once you remove the painter's tape from the foam board, you will create a beautiful design like this that you can admire in your home. This concludes our activity. If you have further questions, please feel free to email me. In the meantime, stay safe. Bye-bye.